Good morning, students. Already we had finished two lessons. I think I sent all the question answers for the second lesson also. Today we are going to see the third lesson. Third lesson topic is light. From the word light, what you are thinking the natural source of light? Yes, ultimately the sun is the natural source of light. Yes, there is a connection between eyes and light. Without light your eyes is blind. Without light I am saying that your eyes is blind. For example, in the dark your eyes won't work. For example, in the dark your eyes won't work. So this means the light makes some magic to make our eyes to visualize the things. The light makes some magical thing that make us to visualize the objects which is surrounding to us. So, what is the magic done by the light? The magic done by the light is the property of light that is called as reflection. Whenever light falls on an object that reflects and then falls on our, that is visualized by our eyes. So, this is called as reflection of light. During darkness, light cannot reflect. So we are not able to visualize the objects. That's why I am saying during dark, even if you are having eyes, you are seems to be blind. So lofty mount with the eyes only we are able to enjoy the surrounding sceneries, natural things, natural beauty, everything we are enjoying with the help of light and eyes. Lofty mountains covered with a greenish vegetation, magnificent trees reaching up to the clouds, beautiful streams drifting down the valleys, blue sea, water roaring towards the coast, and the radiant sky in the morning being filled with a golden red color, all gives delight to our eyes and peace to our mind. But can we see them all without light? No, even you are having eyes, without light you are not able to see. No, because we can see them around us only when the light reflected by them reaches our eyes. So important property of light is reflection. Reflection makes us to see the objects surrounding us. Light is a form of energy. In the first unit we have studied about the measurement. In that we have studied in fundamental quantities and derived quantities, etc. It is an form of energy. It is not an basic quantity or an measurable. Sorry, it is not a basic quantity. It is an form of energy. Under basic quantity, it is a basic quantity comes under light luminosity. Luminosity of light is measured by candela. So measurement we studied about an fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Light comes under the fundamental quantities. Light can be measured by the intensity. Light intensity can be measured by candela. Light is a form of energy, travels in a straight line. It won't come under matter, liquid, liquid and gaseous matter. It will come in the form of waves, so it will be in the form of energy. You have studied in your lower classes how it is reflected by the polished surface such as plane mirrors. In this lesson you will be studying about their types of mirror, like spherical mirror, parabolic mirror. What are all the mirrors which we are using in our day-to-day life? The spectacles which we are wearing have some types of spherical lenses. In such a way, some headlights of our vehicles, the front light and viewing mirror, side viewing mirror, these and all are having different spherical mirrors. Uses of spherical mirrors and the reflection made by the mirror we are going to see in this optical instrument, periscope and kaleidoscope. Periscope is used in a military late in ancient period. Kaleidoscope used to form an different designs in that. Making an kaleidoscope is so easy. I'll tell you how to prepare an activity to prepare how to do the kaleidoscope using an simple plastic optical scales. Types of mirrors. Types of mirrors. We have seen till now what is light. Light is a form of energy. Natural source of light is sun. The important property of light is reflection. The light reflects the object. Using the property of reflection, the eyes is able to visualize the object around us. This is the thing we are seeing in the first paragraph. Types of mirror. We use a mirror in our daily life is the plain mirror. Day by day we are combing our hairs and make-upping ourselves, our face, using the plain mirror. We use them for decoration in vehicles. They are used to rear view mirrors. They are also used in scientific apparatus like telescope. The mirror is an optical device. Optical அப்படின்னா கண்ணாடி பொருள்கள். Optical device with a polished surface that reflects the light falling on it. Opticals is the polished surface, shining surface. What the optical surface will do, that reflects the light falling on it. A typical mirror is a glass sheet coated with the aluminium or silver on one of its sides to produce an image. For example, we will be using to see our faces in the new steel plates. Because it's a polished surface, polished metal, it reflects the light, so we are able to see the face in that. Newly bought silver spoon, in the spoon also we are able to see our images, faces. Like that, the polished surface will be reflecting light and act as a mirror. Act as a mirror. Mirror have a plain or curved surface mirror. Curved mirror have surfaces that are spherical, cylindrical, parabolic and ellipsoid mirrors. The shape of a mirror determines the type of the image it forms. Plain mirror forms the perfect image of an object, whereas the curved mirror produces that either enlarged or diminished images. You would have studied about plain mirrors in your lower classes. In this section we are going to study about spherical and parabolic mirrors. Spherical mirrors, for example, we are using an concave mirror as an convex mirror as an side view mirror as an in a vehicles. In this we are viewing the vehicle which is coming back from our back, that is very small, so the spherical mirror makes the images diminished. And the headlight mirror we are using to make the light to fall on a very big path, so it enlarging the light. So either the spherical mirrors diminish the image or the enlarged image produced, but the plain mirror produces the real perfect images. We will see the types of mirror in the next video.